Domestic Refrigerator Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global domestic refrigerator market size is $82,541.2 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 5.2% from 2024 to 2031. North America domestic refrigerator market size of $33,016.48 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 3.4% from 2024 to 2031. Europe domestic refrigerator market size of $24,762.36 million. Asia Pacific domestic refrigerator market size of $18,984.48 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 7.2% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America domestic refrigerator market size of $4,127.06 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.6% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa domestic refrigerator market size of $1,650.82 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.9% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.